G'day, it's Chriso from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. This bathroom that I'm doing, I'm just turning the camera around. I'm doing all the floor now, and what I've showed you in previous videos, I always do a third coat in the shower, and it acts as my slurry as well. So I'm just going to mix up another bucket of mud. This is how you do it. You pour in your water about that much. Pour in half a bag. That was half a bag because I'd used some before. And you give it a mix. That amount of water in the bucket would have been, say, 60 ml of water. Now I'll add to that with more dry mud. Which I've got here. It's the pre-mixed in a bag, sand and cement, other additives. It's a cool, it's a good mix. So now you add to this. You don't have to mix all day with it. The more you mix, the wetter it'll get. So hold off on just standing there and mixing it with your mixer. The drier it is, the better, the easier it is to work with. Now with this floor, it's way out of level. It full on falls to the wall. It's about 25 mil out of level, so I'll be screening it level and pulling back with my tiles at the same time once I've done the shower. So you put it in there. That's a nice dry mix, easy to float off, to pack down. Right, I'll come back to you shortly when I've got a little bit further. I'm coming with my tile a little bit higher than the aluminium, about 3 mil higher than the aluminium, and then my shower screen goes over that, covers the gap. Here's the owner, and he thought I was talking to myself. We'll see you soon. Bye.